if you cannot share location on iPhone 17e, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings and proceed to your Apple account. Now here, what you can do is you can open the iCloud and make sure that you can access iCloud. If you can't, you might need to re-log to your Apple account. You might need to sign out and then sign back in. Besides that, we can of course go to the Find My section as well. Make sure that your Find My iPhone option is enabled. Of course, you can also proceed in here to toggle Find My Network, and also you can toggle Send Last Location if you want to. But besides that, you want to make sure that Share My Location in here is also enabled. But if you have trouble with sharing location, you can turn off and turn this option back on. And besides that, of course, location services must be enabled as well. So if we go back to settings, you need to scroll down and go to privacy and security, and then go to location services and make sure that location services here is enabled. We can also jump to share my location here, where we can find exactly the same set of settings, but since we already mentioned them, I don't think I need to repeat myself. And if that still didn't help, if you did everything that I mentioned and there is still no option to share the location, or you cannot properly share your location, you can simply restart your phone. So you want to turn it off over here and then turn it back on. And hopefully after restarting your phone, you will be able to share location. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.